Hello students. Today I am going to explain you the second unit of social science textbook, that is Making of Modern Nation, and the topic is lesson number 8, Framing of Constitution and its Features. Now before starting this chapter, I would like to draw your attention towards the meaning and importance of constitution. Constitution means any systematic collection of rules designed to govern a country's regime is known as constitution. Now its importance. Constitution is the basic and most important document. The laws of the country are based on the constitution. The country's constitution and the constitutional laws should be subject to relevant provisions. The constitution is superior to all the laws of the country. Constitution involves periodically changing requirements of the people's aspirations, expectations, interests, as well as the emotions, which are high. That's the reason constitution is known as a live and a basic document. Now I will describe the process of framing the constitution. Before independence, the British government on 25th March 1946 handed the duty to the cabinet mission of 3 members to find a solution to the questions of India's independence. On the basis of recommendations of the cabinet mission, the Constituent Assembly was constituted and the structure of the constitution was decided. Constituent Assembly comprised 385 members, in which various members from different religion, caste, gender, and people from various geographical diversification, political representatives, and experts from various sectors were included. Now, children, you underline these names given in your textbook, like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, H.P. Modi, H.V. Kamant, Frank Anthony, Kanayalal Munshi, Krishnaswamy Iyer, Baldev Singh, and the women representatives Sarojini Naidu, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, etc. were the members of the Constituent Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly and Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. The Constitution Assembly met for 166 sessions spread over a period of 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. Members of the Assembly had discussed threadbare each and every detail of its provisions, keeping in concern the matters of constitution of different countries. In this constitution, there are 295 articles and 8 appendices. After amendments with 395 articles and 9 appendices, the constitution was framed. On 26 November 1949, the constitution was unanimously passed in the Constituent Assembly. On 26 January 1950, Constitution of India came into existence and India was declared a republic nation. Thereafter, every year on 26 January, we celebrate Republic Day. In the Indian Constitution, we have 4 lions as national emblem and national slogan Satyamay Jayate, that is, truth will always win. The Constitution provides for citizenship, rights and duties of the people, directive principles of the state policy, union-state relations, elections and emergencies provisions. Thus, the Constitution of India is the most detailed and elaborated national document. Now, in my next video, I will explain you about the preamble. Thank you.